Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Taiwan's Foxconn flagged strong expectations for its first quarter performance after reporting a 35.5% year-on-year rise in January revenue. Shipments of AI racks continue to increase, and smart consumer electronics are also better than expected, it said in a statement. The pound rose to end last week, recovering some of the previous day's steep slide that followed a surprisingly tight vote from the Bank of England to leave rates unchanged, and it signaled that it could cut if inflation continues to cool. Gold rebounded and notched a weekly gain, helped by bargain hunting, a slightly weaker dollar and lingering concerns over US-Iran talks in Oman, while silver recovered from a 1.5-month low.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Attention turns to the economic calendar as the upcoming days feature a series of high, medium and low impact data releases. Each event carries the potential to influence market sentiment, guiding traders and investors' decision-making. With these events on the horizon, market participants should stay updated and flexible in their approach. The outcomes may shape trading conditions for days to come.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.